So you
Don't
really
worry.
pull your baby's head
No,
through
don't
like
worry.
that?
I would not.
Oh, wait until I get up there.
That baby ain't getting an arm.
You can take that off and have to put that back on.
I already got you beat.
No, you don't.
Yeah, watch this.
Oh gosh.
Poor baby. It's never gonna leave us.
I think you might have broke its arm.
Baby's crying.
Yeah.
That's quite alright. At least it's not my baby.
Better not be mine.
Imitate Abel's cry, Trevor.
Huh?
Imitate Abel's cry if she was changing him like this right now.
It is crying right now.
Yeah, he's sleeping.
Oh my gosh. I know, I'm so slow.
Stop.
at this.
Oh, you're...
You got that far.
Go.
You jumped, you went.
Oh. Small frag. He's ready to go.
Pull that arm.
No, that ain't her first one.
That's not my first rodeo.
No.
You shouldn't have said that.
Good looking out, sis.
I'd have to hurry up and stick that diaper back on. So actually,
I just put it on over it.
She's reminding me of a mom who's been up all night for feeding her baby.
trying to figure out how it's. There you go. Yeah.
Are you watching the timer?
Baby's peed on Trevor so many times.
Already?
Yeah, he's only peed on me once, but he pees on Trevor a lot.
I don't know how he did it the other day. I was holding him. I was like burping him.
I'm gonna start making wee-wee covers and selling them.
He just started pissing on
All right. Go. I'm done.
It's okay, little baby. I've done this before. At least this one isn't running. Like, hold still. Yeah, I can do your hair while you're walking.
Oh, she might get this one.
Yeah.
Stuff for you, girl.
I'm telling you, I got 4 under the age of 5. I can do this. In a moving car.
Yeah, it helps when you've done it recently. Not a little
Oh my
bit.
gosh.
Yeah, I got it. How much time
Number
is she?
20. She's at 40.
Bracelet. The bracelet.
Bracelet.
Oh, you guys can't remind her? That's cheap.
That's
Well, it was way
I'm
reminded
just
Chastity. And it was way over there too.
Let's see what she
All
looks
of
like.
it in 50. Oh, the diaper just broke.
That's okay. Stick it back
Okay,
there.
he's good. He's good for a minute. No, we're just gonna pretend like it's together. There's the mix available.
I'm not a mom. I don't have to do this.
Well, speed it up, speed it up. Come on.
That's the broken one. Oh, move your arm, dude. You're in the way.
That's a girl.
I don't care. It's a monkey to me. Bam, diaper. Oh, where's this other one?
Be easy with it.
Well, I'm going to be real easy with it. I'm going to show you just how easy. You ready?
Yeah.
Just like that. I'm going to get it done.
30 seconds.
Broken arm.
Oh no, I can ring.
Let her in.
No, can we?
Oh, it's a shirt. I'm not going to get this done.
2 minutes. It's 5:04. I have no clue. 45.
Where'd you get an answering machine? Oh, yep, that's good.
Alright.
The time already?
Now this is sporadic dressing a baby.
Yeah.
This mama needs to go to rehab.
There you go.
Look at her biting the baby.
Hey, it bites me, damn it.
Carol Jones, you get to take the baby with you.
Go, 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 go.
Oh,
Sorry,
shit.
sorry.
Unless you're abusing the baby, and then DFS will take it. And you still have to go to rehab.
Snapping buttons are not my thing either.
That she
Rehab
did.
won't even take her.
Damn it, I'm trying to be
Chewing on the baby. Now you're just going to jail. You're gonna come down in a cell.
You will wear the hat.
Done. Yeah. Yeah. It happens to Kai a lot too. Mary's walking around with a half a butt cheek out. I'm like, oh, you got a diaper thong on? Oh yeah, she's forever. I'm gonna be at like 2 minutes.
I don't know how her sleep.
Man, I can sleep on Parrot's tour bus for real.
Yeah, they probably could.
They really good. I'm all like, look at y'all, go sleeping. Throw a shoe at them.
Yeah, the shoes are a
I
bit
miss the shoe.
complicated. Yeah, the shoes were a bit complicated.
I start out when they're real small, listening to music and vacuuming around them and stuff. Shit, they'll sleep.
Yeah, you sleep too long.
Avery will sleep through Henry, grudge crawling across the floor and the cops coming in and all kinds of crap, man. Bye.